Hello folks, I am working on a Honda GVC160 and the main issue today is the Petcock valve. This is where you turn your fuel off and you turn your fuel on. In the position you see here, that is for your fuel on. Turn it up and your fuel is off. My problem today is I got a leaking Petcock shutoff valve. The tools you will need, I'm just using a 1/4-inch ratchet. You will have one 10mm and a second 10mm. And of course, you're going to need a pair of pliers to take your clamps off. It is straightforward. Once you remove the bracket, you have a screw on the back side. You will undo the screw. You will fit your new Petcock valve on. This is the part you will need. 16950/Z as in zebra 0 Y as in Yankee 003. And again, this is a Honda GVC 160 Easy Start. It is a good mower and I have mowed with it. I just can't put a lot of fuel in it because it just drains right on out. But this is an awesome mower. And this will be the first part, and upon installation, I will show you the finished product. Any questions, any comments you need, just drop them in the box, and I will be more than happy to answer any question about this particular lawnmower. Troy built, Briggs & Stratton, MTD, Snapper, they're all the same. They got Briggs & Strattons on them. But this is my first Honda, and I'm tickled pink with it. It does excellent, does superb. Everyone have a great day. Stay safe.